And students, just going through some more LANTITE questions that I just recently got a hold of. Like the last video, I'm just going to go through it somewhat quickly as I have work in a little bit. Alright, so I'm not really going to read the questions much. I'll try not to. Yeah, just to go through it a bit faster. So just trying to get 50% discount. Yeah, how much did it originally cost? If it had 50%, that means that this is equal to 50%, which means that you've got to double it to get what was the 100%. So doubling about $30 will get you $60. $89.95 was 25% discount. How much was it originally? So originally it would have been, although I should do the calculator method as well. So for a calculator, you could put in this. That's what 50% is. You divide it by 50%, you'll get your 100%, which dividing by 0.5 is the same as doubling. So for this one, it's 25%. You could do 1 take 25% with calculator. That will get you 0.75. And then that's what you divide it by, $90 or $89.95 divided by your 0.75. So that's your calculator answer. Without calculator, you can just, you know that you've got 75%. You can just divide it by 3 to get your 25%, which is a quarter. So this is 3/4. Divide by 3 to get you 1/4, and then multiply it by 4 to get you 4/4. So $90 divided by 3 is $30, and then if I times it by 4, it'll be $120. Next one, $60, 25% discount. It's the same again. 60 divided by 3 to get me 1/4, which is $20. Then I multiply that by 4, and E equals $80. And again, the calculator way would have been $59.95 divided by 0.75. Of course, you did 1 minus the 25% first to get your 0.75. By the way, to get that one up there exact, $89.95. Alright, next one. Test has a pass mark of 70%. If there's 35 questions, what's the minimum? 70% is 7/10. So that's a bit of an interesting one. A 10% of this is 3.5. So it's just 7 of those. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 0.5 is 3.5. So I'll get you 24.5, which means you need to get 25 to pass. You can just do 0.7 times 35 for that. For this one, same again. You just need to get 0.75 times 53. That will be about 52, 26, 13. It'll be about 40 is my approximation. So for this one, with calculator, you've got to do 0.7 times 113. My rough guess is just that's 10%, and then just multiply that by 7. So that'll be 77 plus 2.1, so 79.1. So you've got to get at least 80 or 79.5. And this one, test has a pass mark 65%. So again, 0.65 times 42. So one way of doing this, so that's the calculator way. If you were trying to do it quick, you could just do 2/3. I know that a third of 42 is 14. So 2 of those thirds is 28. So that will be 2/3, which equals 66%. So it's slightly higher than what we need. So it might actually get you the wrong answer. Obviously, use your calculator. Same for this last one, 0.75 times 42 gets you your answer in one hit. Yeah, the actual answer would be 3/4 of 42. Half of 42 is 21. Half of that is 10.5. So I need 3 lots of 10.5, which would be 31.5. So I think about 32 will get you the right answer. Okay. Next page. Student got 30 out of 50, so I know that that is 60%. And your calculator can do that by just doing 30 out of 50 times 100. And that's how you'll get your percentage. Because it's already out of 50, you can just double it. And the other one got 16 out of 25. Again, 16 out of 25 times 100. And I can tell you that's 64%. So the average between the two of them, 64 plus 60 divided by 2. So 124 and 124 divided by 2 equals 62. Obviously, you can just do these calculations on your calculator. Next one, 7 out of every 10 passed the key test. That's 70% passed. Pass. And that obviously means that the remainder failed. 100 takes 70. Hopefully you don't even need to calculate that. You'll just know that that's 30% failed. Price reduction of a particular item means that the number of sales is expected to increase by 30%. Given that the number of sales was originally 20,000, how many extra sales can be expected? To add a percentage, you need to go like this. That's how you add 30%. You don't need that 0. It's just making it look maybe a little bit easier for some people. You multiply that by your number, and that's what will get you your answer. And I believe the answer to that should be 26,000. I believe.